এবার ডিজাইনের শীর্ষস্থানেও এআই। প্রযুক্তিবিদ্যা যেভাবে অগ্রগতির দিকে পা বাড়াচ্ছে তাতে মানুষের জীবনধারায় অনেক পরিবর্তন ঘটেছে। ইতিমধ্যেই আমরা সকলে কোথাও না কোথাও একবার না একবার এআই শব্দটি নিশ্চয়ই শুনেছি। এই এআই এর সম্পূর্ণ নাম আর্টিফিশিয়াল ইন্টেলিজেন্স। এআই এর মাধ্যমে এখন এমন কিছু ডিজাইন করা হচ্ছে যা হয়তো হিউম্যান ইন্টেলিজেন্সের মাধ্যমে করলে লাগতো বহু সময়। সেক্ষেত্রে এআই সে ডিজাইন সম্পূর্ণ করে দিচ্ছে খুব অল্প সময়ের মধ্যে। এআই এর দ্বারা চমক লাগানো ইন্টেরিয়র ডিজাইন করা হচ্ছে, তারই মধ্যে একটি হলো প্যারামেট্রিক ডিজাইন। এবং এই ধরনের এআই টুল বদলে দিচ্ছে ব্যবসা জগতের ধ্যান ধারণা। প্যারামেট্রিক ডিজাইন একটি নকশা পদ্ধতি যেখানে বিল্ডিং উপাদান এবং প্রকৌশল উপাদানগুলোর মতো বৈশিষ্ট্যগুলি সরাসরি হাতের কৌশলের পরিবর্তে অ্যালগরিদমিক প্রক্রিয়াগুলির উপর ভিত্তি করে আকার দেওয়া হয়। এমনই একটি বিশেষ বক্তব্যে আমরা উপস্থিত ছিলাম। আসুন আমরা দেখে নেব সে বিষয়ে আরও বিস্তারিত।
So we had a seminar on parametric design. All the three speakers enlightened us about parametric.
Something which human mind cannot do so easily, that can be done in a certain technical manner by using the technology. So if at all we look at the say computer and you want to do a very complex mathematical calculation, it is not possible for human mind to do that. Similarly, when you look at the complex designs which cannot be so easily conceived by the human mind, there are certain building forms, there are certain forms, say from furniture or anything which cannot be handled by human mind so easily. I would not say it is impossible, but they cannot be handled so easily in a time-effective manner. So this is the technology of parametric. We takes us very close to nature. As I said, that everything in nature is parametric. So you get that answer, that particular methodology in the parametric.
Sir, lean manufacturing, where the reduction of the wastage is very minimal. Still there is little bit of wastage called muda, the necessary waste, without which you cannot do it. So how you are planning to utilize that waste into blessings for the manufacturing and your industry especially?
See, primarily whenever you try to use the waste, the question arises about the labor cost. It's not, we can use each and every waste and convert it into a usable item. But the question is that whether we are ready to pay the labor cost behind it. So, we are far away right now, as of now, to convert the waste into the 100% usable, you can say, zero waste kind of a scenario. And I think we all have to be prepared for the cost of it. As I said, that it's not about the, simply paying the money and bringing the thing, at a cheaper cost. It is at the same time about saving the mother nature, even if it is more expensive.
So how big is the market you are expecting in next 5 years?
If at all we compel the people to use or to add up the items, say for example, in my interior, if I am forced to use at least 20% recycled material, then probably the industry will get encouragement where the wastage can be utilized and we can produce the goods which are made out of the waste.
So any use of sustainable development other than this AI in your plan?
As such, when we talk about the AI and we talk about the software, they are two somehow little different thing. AI is helping you in converting your thoughts into design, while a grasshopper kind of a software help you design, which you already know that you want to produce in this particular manner. So these are two different things.
So you are changing the entire metaverse then?
Yeah. Let's look at the future.
So all of these are sort of integrated in terms of architectural design, how architecture can be visualized, conceptualized, demonstrated, and experienced. So all of these technologies are a part of computational design, which is a large umbrella of design which we operate in, and AI is one part of it.
So you are introducing AI, it's a very future-in thing. Now, are you considering the environmental aspect? Because the consideration of Thar and consideration of Ladakh or down south,
Right. So any project that we do, we look into the local constraints of the project and what are the local requirements of the project as such. To be honest, technology is just a byproduct of the process that we typically use for the project. If a project requires something to be absolutely sustainable, where we have to look into the environmental aspects, that takes the front seat of the project. Technology is sort of helping and aiding in the process of creating that. So we never start with technology. Technology is always the byproduct, I would say. When we look into a local project where let's say heavy rainfall is there and we have to create a drainage system. So we try to look at it as a challenge that how do we create the most innovative system of drainage in a particular project, and then how we can use technology to help us in creating that as an efficient system or not. That is something that we try to leverage.